Yeah, good morning everyone. And previously I've seen .NET web service accessing a j2ee client. Yeah, we've got a j2ee client and we've got a .NET web service. But now we are going to see a .NET client to access a j2ee web service. I want to see .NET client access a j2ee web service. This is going to be the last exercise probably in SOA lab in Regulation 2008. So what is it is, first creation of service, as you should previously have seen. We will create a web service now, j2ee web service. And here I use NetBeans IDE. So I'll be creating a j2ee web service. First of all I need to get a j2ee web service. So for that I'll use NetBeans IDE. So go for NetBeans IDE. Meanwhile, j2ee web service, Java web service can create in various other IDEs also, but we usually use NetBeans IDE since it's user friendly. And, so file, new project, Java web application. Next, I'm going to create a web service now. So what web service can create? For that I need to create a web application now. I need to create a web application. I will give you a name as some name. Sara web app. It's already existing. So Sara next seriousness. There is no need for considering this till now. Finish this. So I've created a Sarap. Now what will I do here is I'll right click this, new web service. This time now I'm going to give it new web service. So now I'm going to create a web service, calculator web service. Let it be, we will do a calculator web service now. Calculator web service. You have to specify a package now here. Calc will give. Create web service from scratch. We will leave everything blank. Finish it. So it will come as it. It will be coming with the default hello world if you are using a recent IDE. Hello world operation. So right click this. Remove operation. Okay. Add operation. So now I'm going to give a add operation. I'm going to get a calculator web service now. Int is going to be return type, and I need to add parameters or arguments, parameters which will pass to the function. So okay, again you add another operation, give it a sub, here give int, and we give again a int at b int. Okay. Add sub again order an operation, multiplication. Yeah, give it as int. Therefore you have to specify the return type as number 1. We will check it out. We have given it as input int return type. If it is not so, you have to change it, or the source code at least. Int add d int, okay, add sub mal in operation div, division operation div int add a int b int, okay. So created operations. Now we will go to source. Before going to source, we will add another operation also, power PWER, and add, we will give it as string, we will give it as long. Return type should be long. Add a int b int, okay, give. So for this, return type is long, return type is int, return type is int, return type is int, return type is int, add. So go to service source, so you have given everything, and here you give it as a plus b. So next, a minus b, in sub operation a minus b, in mul operation a star b, and div operation a slash b, and in math power operation we have to give math dot POW of, oh, we have to give it as double. So what you do here is A comma B, A comma B. Once again showing error. So you have to give double A. So you have to change the, you have changed the input type. Double A, double B. And here also you have to change to double. Right. So we'll go to design now. We will shade return type. Refresh. Where is the refresh? Here. Is this? Oh, it has not changed. Anyway, we'll check it out. We have changed over here, so it should be proper. We have created a web service. Now create, clean and build. Build successful. First of all, you have to run the application that we deployed. That means we are deploying the application. We get a hello world now. So we are not getting a service displayed over there in the first page. It's only index.jsp which is being displayed over there. So we will get a hello world application, but that's for deploying the web application. After deploying only we can test the web service. So only we are deploying the web service. We are deploying the application. We are deploying the application, then only we can test the web service. For that purpose only we do that. We get a hello world now. Hello world here. So now go for web services, calculate web service, test web service. It should pop up a menu and 89, 98 and 187, just come 187. Sub we will give 89, 98 again. -9. decimal and 7. We only small numbers because we are going it as integer. Division 9 divided by 4. We'll get 4 2s are 8. 2. Yeah. 2.5 2. Yeah. Power we are going double. We have given as double. It should be given as double. 5 power 6. 15625 is coming correctly. So now 5 power 6 is 15625. We'll give a small number and see. 2 power 3. 8, it should be 8. 8.088. So it's coming correctly. We'll go for WSDL file. Copy this WSDL. Now you can close this. You minimize this. Minimize NetBeans ID. Now we are coming to next part. Next part is creating a .NET client. .NET client. For this we use Visual Studio 2008. You can use recent version also, but you have to use Visual Studio for creating a .NET application. So go for Visual Studio. File, new, website. Now you have to check if you are creating a client. If you are going to create a client, you have to always check ASP.NET website. If you are going to create a web service, you have to create web service, ASP.NET web service. But if you are going to create a client, you always check ASP.NET website and create here. And here you mention the calculator website, calc WS. It should be Visual C#, file system, number 3.5, framework 2.5. Okay. Calcs. Yeah, it has come as such. Now you remove this div and you go over Solution Explorer and right click, add web reference. Now I copied the WSDL file, so I'm Control V or pasting that. Go there. It should come up. It has come up over there. Localhost you can give or any other name you can give. I'll give my name itself Saravana. You can give any reference. Yeah. Given the reference. Now go to design view. So you have to create form now, a calculator form. Calculator. Now I'm going to create 2 text boxes. Text style. Text boxes. I give you a colon text box. I'm saying correctly. Next one, B colon text box. Yeah. Next, I need to create buttons. I'm going to go for buttons now. Button 1. Right click this, give properties, give it as add. Another button. You need to do again and again, otherwise if you copy and paste it will come as a button array. So I prefer giving it as sub multiply. Next, division. Divide. Or else you can give a calculator feel like look, but I believe so it's okay. Yeah. Right. And next, add some multiply. Power also given. So power. If we give the inputs in A and B, if we give add, I need to give the result, get the result in another textbooks. So the result is so I need to get the textbooks and get textbooks. So I've created textbooks now. So I've created a form now. So now I need to double click this. These are before going to it. I need to give Saravanan because that's this one Saravanan. Yeah, Saravanan. Yes, is equal to new Saravanan dot. I forgot that. Dot calculator web service. Yes is equal to new calculator web service. Yeah. Created it. Next, what you do here is okay. Yes, and now in button 1, I need to define integer. I need to get the integer output. Int yes1 equal to integer int dot pass dot pass of textbox 1 dot text. Int s2 equal to same thing for but it is going to be textbox 2 dot text. You have to be careful while giving the which textbox you are using, for which you have to be careful with that. Pass textbox 2 dot text. Now I'm not going to hard code any application now here. Int res equal to yes dot add of s1 comma s2. Now what will I do here is textbox 3 dot text. Sorry, text equal to convert dot to string of IES. Done with this. So this is what in the add button. If you are having confusion, you need to do that add button. Given add and add. So next sub. I'll copy paste this, which will take time. Same thing I'm going to do. Yeah. Next here alone I'm going to change. So s dot sub of s1 s2 semicolon. Yeah, I will give the semicolon. So mul. Next one is mul. Again control V. Yeah, I'm going to give dot mul. So dot mu, yeah, mul of s1 comma s2, and that div was the same thing. I'm going to give only all as ints. If you want floating point for div, you can give it as double in that one. We have missed out that option, but you can give that div of s1 comma s2. So last one, power, here it's going to be different one. So instead of this one, I need to give something. So Control C, I give here, and I give here, and I give here double S1. We'll give double S1. We'll give this double S1 and double dot pass. Pass, yeah. Double S2 and double dot pass. So double res is equal to s dot. So we copy this, Control C. We'll give double is equal to s dot pwer, I believe so, yeah, pwer of s1 comma s2. Next one, yeah. Now text box 3, same thing, converting to string and pasting it. Build this. Now what we've done everything, I believe so is right. We'll build this. We'll succeed. Now can give Control F5 or this one. So give this. Okay. So got a output like this. Now A is 2, 3. Only 3. Add 5 sub minus 1 mal 6 div 3 can't divide by 2. 2 divided by 3, yeah, I can't give 8. Div can give 2, can give 4 and 2. We'll see that 2, yeah, it's coming correctly. So this is about creating a 4 power 2 16, yeah, it's coming correctly. Add 6 sub 2 1 8 div 2 power 16. So it's working on fine. So this is about developing a .NET client or j2ee web service, creating a j2ee web service and creating a .NET client.